official interview. Me I beg you. Because
no, me I hold patterns, man. Hold patterns. Sister.
Listen to me, man.
At one point, you know, sister, the zeal there, you know, me I say, come remember say, you know, when you're young and everything, you know, me get a little more old and everything. I say, me not really, I still have a little fire still, but me not really so extreme like one time. But at one point, man, me stand up for certain things, man. Me stand up heavily, man. When them use it, brother, when them use the pop tune for the 50th anniversary, you know, brother, me dey pop, me get the motor beat, me get in a brother from insiders, you know, bro. How about you, man? Some show, bro. Some show them say them not. Some sponsors I say them not put up a certain show and them thing, the brother. Yeah, man. You see how me get all my bun? I rejoice, you know, them I say, see it. Long time for hanging me now.
but tell you all Lord get bun.
No, man, but my one signature, bro. You know, understand
me. Rasta get fame one to a country.
Brother, you think Martin Luther King are the first man to give wife born in them days, brother. But him then catch brother, and him then want to make an example of, bro. Yeah, man. You have to understand the thing, bro.
Remember say you talk about field one, you know, man. In the man chest plate about him, you know.
Yeah, man, get a hit song out of the things.
Yeah, Bunny. But me not even want with Vera after what we have said. But the truth of it, Mr. Vegas, let me tell you this.
Yeah, man.
Differently still, because over the years, me have some turbulent time with it, you know, me cuss out your backside. But the truth of it, you see maturity and life and growth is a hell of a thing. Because see what you know, and you're in a space where you can laugh about the things them of the past. But really and truly, you see love in Jamaica is totally different. You have some people with genuinely love with country and we have to fight. Because if you look, you know, because all right, for example, right now, me not like footer hype for nothing. Because footer hype know better and him behave just. Me don't know sometimes I have to say the same ignorance with. I mean I talk about even politics aside. A lot of things when footer hype say, I know every time you wrong, you know. I know every time you wrong.
I say it.
I just a point. I just what the messenger. You understand? At the same
90% of the time footer hype right, but you are going to problem footer hype. No footer hype no consistent. He's a hypocrite.
Right.
So 90% when say right, sister, he come back and come beat himself on the 10% because case in point, sorry for cut your sis. Case in point, he must say, yo, Andrew Holness them legalize shaky people, and then me share a video and tag him and say, watch your party, I big up Gabriel, and he not talk about that. Zin?
No talk about that.
So sometimes him stance when him take some extreme stance and he expects him to balance across the board. But then you see when I feel people them were immigrate involved in the same thing that we have out, him stay silent. I come out, come try.
You see, Vegas, that is the point now. When me I go look and show you say, me tell people all the time, say no care who we are, all we have with biases. It's just that some people will make their biases be known. Right? Because you have been consistently standing up for various things where you believe in over the last years, right? From you have been a voice consistently, and you don't care if you alone, right? You stand up and you make your voice be heard. So that's why I know when some people are going go and like say you shouldn't be so vocal with the politics. I don't understand how them for one chastise you and tear down and say if you go do music and if you go and don't anybody will tell you that them are the epitome of what you call dunce and fool and ignorant and dark, you know, man. Because you have always been consistent over the years using your voice in various causes where you believe in, you always do it. Well, enough of them, we can show them up because they have never spoken out about any other injustice in our country publicly. They never come out yet and be no advocate for or against anything. But now they want to put themselves in a politics and talk about the Prime Minister and talk about Labour Party. It show them bias. Clear as day without them even have to say it. Outlaw, we are knock over there.
Sorry, me bathroom. Sorry, me there.
You alright, Outlaw, you don't sound so bright today. You alright?
You know, go pee and go on your bed. Now your bedtime.
What kind of bedtime, boss? Me there listen to Vegas, brother.
Let's get you there.
But more find out from Mr. Vegas if him coming, if him think him have anything for
He's the one two people that want to come.
Me don't know them neither. Me don't know them.
Mr. Vegas.
I don't know Mr. Preston, Errol Preston, Krista 2577. No, I request me back. So I don't know if it is by
Christina.
TikTok in name, Chris Tack. I don't know, you know. I mean, not really bring up strangers in my box like that. Worse when Mr. Vegas there, I mean, I bring no riffraff. Not saying only riffraff, but I bring no riffraff in Mr. Vegas space for my life.
You're mad. We can't get for juke.
When Mr. Vegas want to mix up with the riffraff pan in one, that Mr. Vegas business. But me tell you now already. When Mr. Vegas there for my life. Okay, Chris, no disrespect, you know. Me no mean that you. No, but that's why I never pick you neither because I don't know you. Me never see your name in my chat before. Not no hope. They say it was a mistake. All right, big up yourself. Cause the platform, me welcome anybody, but when me have my guests them, me no full up my back with unknown people when me have my guests.
But Kizzy, you know tell Vegas you enough time me kick up over Vegas so Kizzy a bun out Vegas and me say Vegas right. And me and Kizzy war.
Me tell Vegas me cuss enough time.
Rotted.
But when he right, me say right. And anytime when he deal with Spice case, me say Vegas right. Jesus, Vegas right.
Spice and the Gina, one of the hardest working women in the industry, you know.
No joke about that.
But you go on, Miss Kizzy. Even when me clash about ladies, you know. Remember say, me love ladies more than you, you know. That's the problem, you know.
Me don't know about that part, but me know me love her.
Me sure about that. And you can't measure it, so you can't tell. So me sure.
Right. But you know that woman never just coming at me back. So who that woman never just coming at me back? Who bring her up?
And me bring her up, you know.
In a green shirt. Who is she?
She left on red light.
We're internet now, work good. Better.
What you know? Remember say, when it comes down to culture and you have about consistency, you see me, Miss Kizzy? Me will love you, Miss Kizzy.
Hold on, Mr. Vegas. Kizzy, where you there from day before yesterday? Me have 2 days. Although me did busy. Where you there? You take a day off?
Oh yeah, me did need a break. The internal election they have me away, so me just go and pay attention.
Okay, me go back to work today. Mr. Vegas, the one person me see a silence and then I call his name again, Andre Stevens. Come back, Mr. Vegas. What are you there?
I must have gone for it and must have do something. Like myself.
A Black King alone now want coming at me back. I want me to Black King.
Wait, no man, I'm tired. I'm tired. What me not know what's up there?
Lady Green. Miss Betel.
And me I say, you have some people who genuinely love their country. I know every Jamaican patriotic. I don't know every Jamaican love their country.
Vegas, I'm going to work for the Love Jamaica for the next for Emancipation Day. We have to go right to Miss Bob's Great and tell us that song that we want to play. Emancipation Day and the 6th of August, Independence Day.
Mr. Vegas, you not get no OD yet?
You can't get it now. They're going to say because it's valuable, right?
Miss Kizzy, me no want no OD, and you me no want no OD. I've been nominated. People call me say they were gonna nominate me, and I said no, for what? You can't give me OD before the greats them like Kashi Lindo Father, Willie Lindo, and Stevie and Clevie from Stevie and Clevie and people like.
But they can't get it nobody no. They can't get it nobody no nominate them Vegas.
Listen me. Clevie name company someone get it. So I don't know why West, but regardless, me no want no OD. don't want to OD at this point. Let's say at this point. Because I know people will contribute more
So
to
me
the
ask you
music.
something. If your name nominated and it is given to you by the government of Jamaica, you're not gonna take it?
No. I tell say people come and say, I'm going to nominate me. I tell you, I'm wasting time, man. I don't want to OD, man. Because you go on now, you don't want to ever send a message and make people feel like, say, yo, you're doing something for some form of, you know, endorsement or some form of award or reward or whatever. Me a burn the fire here.
Not do that, Jamaicans for progress. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that, Jamaicans for progress. Not do that.
Boy.
What are we Mal and Morgan that the people them Senate in and choose Jamaica armband? Mal and choose Jamaica armband. Bright and loud.
I'm bracelet. Yeah, but when I don't say no buy a Kizzy.
Yes.
Oh God.
Not my friend though, you know, but me know him.
Every time we go.
When I say not my friend, me mean like he maybe wouldn't know who me is, but me know who him be. You understand?
Okay.
Jamaicans for
Lucky boy.
progress. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Do better than that. You love tell people about enough to do divisive and they must tone down on negative energy. And now you come in the chat as a labor right account, I push negative energy against one of our own. Don't do that. Don't do that. I will not support it. Not diminish a next person because you not see the value in them. Don't do that. Me nah go accept that. Don't do that. Please. Me don't know which of a Black King, you know, but me not pay Black King no mind. When me life done, me have to go call him.
Baby belly hurt him, Kizzy.
Me and them play some domino. I must give some lick in the head last night, domino. So I must say asleep now.
So that him head hurt him or him belly hurt him. Which one?
One of them. Soon come, man. Not now to him in good. In good, Kizzy, in good.
Hey, outlaw, when you have king come to Jamaica after election, we have to arrange a domino thing.
Mr. Vegas are the host.
When does Vegas play domino? Let me hear you.
You know, see him friend them on the car and play domino. Him and Josie and Shaggy.
No, we never see.
Okay.
Never see. But yeah, it's Vegas in a domino thing, yeah. I'm a domino man, you know. Yeah, man. Well,
Some baby gets a silent,
Shit,
guys.
man.
If I love Jamaica,
Somebody
me
sent
see
a
you
comment.
and sing it with me, yeah. See him so I go miss you.
anyway,
Kizzy,
big up everyone.
how come baby gets so quiet?
Churchill, good evening. And Mr. Pang, I want to that. Good evening.
Street vibes on Friday.
Mr. Vegas, maybe just take a break, a breather.
No, man. Listen, I hear man. Somebody was saying something to me.
Yeah, Jamaicans for progress. Not do it. Because me I tell you the truth, if one comrade come post that, would have blocked them. I'm right here. For Wayne Marshall. And I believe he deserved it.
Man, say I man, Mr. Vegas. Is that so?
One of the first time Vegas pop up in head, and it was felt that him a different broker. The boy Andre rough off him, man. So Vegas that fe come start him out. Vegas gonna take down your video.
But Sweet Jamaica is a big song. Big tune.
That's a start to talk there.
You see, timeless music.
Andre Stevenson left out in bedroom in a bed and all he do
Look
a
at silent
change.
people in over here, yeah? I want name so.
Emmanuel
Exactly.
Bunchi Dashina.
Exactly.
And I tell spread propaganda.
Emmanuel Bunchi Dashina Gully.
Munchi that she meet them, do you think I'm peering?
Mr. Pang, mute no man.
No, bro,
Hey,
God,
listen to
the bro
people.
God and Mrs. Holness go take him up and Ken hospital and then in turn have nuisance in the people in life.
Bunchi
me
say,
tell you.
Granny take him up. In Granny take him up out there Gully. When he Granny
Sorry for
take him up,
Maga
him
dog,
full
eh?
of shit.
And Mrs. Holness then, can't get him, a doctor. You never even cuss her.
Yeah.
Cuss her about what kind of slipper she can't come up hospital, come give him. You
Me
never even
used to
cuss her
listen.
about him.
Me used to listen to the cat howl. I mean, I say, how would the boy cause the prime minister so far?
Uno know me never listen to him yet.
Kizzy.
Listen, guys, let me show you. I have never listened to none. I've never seen. I mean, he start from our Facebook. And when he start over Facebook, me never left Facebook yet. I have never listened to anything for him. You know, come from my timeline or nothing. Anything when me hear no clip or no nothing of him, or where maybe somebody send come in a group or somebody post on their status or somewhere. Otherwise, never.
I did Dana Lee something.
So
That
me-
when him come at that was the first time I start me listen to him. And then when Dana Lee case, when after the man get arrested, my mother said to me one day, say, you know talking about Dana Lee, but me not listen to him again. You know, you have disrespect Mrs. Holness. And I say, what? And she said, yeah. And when me take a stock, the boy turned from the people. I'm a bad man. Bad man pull him up.
Nobody have True Juice number. We want to send something up at Oprah Road.
Oh, you were going to Mr. Petal. Watch out, Mr. Petal. One second, plan. Watch out, Mr. Petal. You see when me burn the fire pan it, me see it, me did see it, I throw some sound in and I realize, say, because first thing, I see I try look at audience, you know. I pick up that earlier and I say, you know, so that's something I turn into a blab. Right? So through the whole, coming by that address it, you know, through the whole Dana Lee thing and I realize that even when it has speak, it kind of insinuate like at the administration, I cover up. So I start burn a fire pan early, but remember me say, you know, I will for labor right you so over there, I kick with him and about teacher and principal and about professor and boots up a wingworm. See? I mean I tell them say, can remember saying, you know, I guarantee you this, you know. If you can go through anything when we do on internet and say, yo, Vegi, that one yeah, never take. I can listen back to it and look back and say, yeah, man, never take the truth. I'm going to be honest with you. Zane? I tell the people them say that wingworm here look at audience. And so said, so done. But remember this labor right used to cost me feet. Big time. I tell them say when I idiot you know say a wingworm just look for festa.
Mr. Vegas, let me tell you something. A lot of people don't have a spirit of discernment and a lot of people don't have sight. Then just listen and laugh.
All on the Kizzy. And people are sorry for him when you put on the video, you know, the picture of him, you know, but Mr. Vegas, take it down, blah blah blah, whatever. Yeah, from me.
No, because he say, somebody send the video come give me say, you are persona non grata. You persona non grata. I say, I would have wingworm you rap with. You find the wingworm file. I say people no see a patient. Say people are bad on. How dare you? How dare you? Yes, when you start clot, Miss Juliet and Mr. Holness, you see people about how dare you? How dare you want to see them start money, but me don't see them gonna laugh at us. I tell you say wingworm.
From me, Mr. Vegas, one thing with me.
Mr. Vegas just have a picture up, you know. Mr. Vegas just have a picture up in there of our white, you know, Mr. Vegas attack, you know. Not really calling name or not all about a style him up, you know, boy, me test that one the licking hot. Yes, Kiz.
We have to pay attention to people and their agenda. Yeah? A lot of them, they have their
A true
agenda.
man. So Vegas was right on the money.
From me here, say he's a patient. And he mad out. Me say, me not sit down and watch the mad people. I'm marrying them. You not get me watch them because me not watch mad people. Sorry. I not do it. The time me I do that, me go learn to do something else. Partner draw? What the hell? No me. And when the nastiness start, me start say to some people, say, really? Wanna really sit down and listen to that?
Miss Kizzy, watch this now. Me see when the conglomerate of farm, you know. Me see when little bit of blood, him, the wingworm, and a portion of them, one named Carlos, me see when them are farm it, if you go against the Prime Minister, you know, you see something like fancy, you know, and me start make nice, you know, and yo, nobody not, and people must say, yo, you chat too much, and me I say, alright, and me just say, me take on that picture you alone.
General, sorry there. Remember, say him was the council caretaker for Waterford Division, you know. And when some things start come out with him about him chichi lifestyle and fly lifestyle, also when him start get the attacks them more, him start licking more. The administration this year say, boy, we are gonna go part ways with him. Cause when they go in the hospital, you know, he was still the sitting council caretaker, you know, and take care of him while they in there, you know, and give to my boy there, you know. You understand me? Chris, you know, right? So that him upset about because he must say Nesta do it, but that never do it Nesta not Gensec.
Me say fully mad out.
Anyway, back to regular programming because if them hear this, them are gonna beat a little more Miss Kizzy.
Beat me? Oh God, Vegas.
Vegas get beaten to the sick.
B2. Me have two things me do. Me no play no shit. Never play night. Me never play no shit yet from the day me born.
Well,
Me very scornful. So none of them can beat me. Me and them are not the same.
One time in a plank, with the body ground, you know. I see wingworm, you know. Me I say, me say, blaze the fire for the wingworm, you know.
A petal if you go be, cause petal bring them up.
Black, you ever see, you know say when Chichi fast?
Yeah.
Me say black. me see sit and look like wild man goose. Me say,
Yeah, come on, come here,
me just lock up my face and just go say, yo, Miss Kizzy, by night come down, me see internet, me see live turn on, I be a ball.
I be a balling, oh God.
I be a ball. And they must say, next time, go run at the station.
You scared him. You scared him.
Me say life to the people that say me attack me. What you do? So me say, me not do nothing. Me just go so.
It's really from me
say, Blank, me wish me could have borrow your voice. If me could have borrow your voice today, the coffee me like singing voice. Never do it good.
Hey, if you ramp with me, me I set Munchie B pan him, cause when Munchie B start, look here, at Cool Life, me see Munchie B do. But me watch them about 3 times. When Munchie deal with him, and nothing normal.
They say, Munchie clot it, 8 ball out. Lawsuit.
I don't know this lady, you know. I don't know this lady. See the people? I don't know this lady. I don't listen to lady. Come call the pedophile. I went, Munchie said, he black.
All of that when she said, let me tell you. Remember him say, him at this, but he never yet that. Remember when he said,
Yo, wickedest thing. You have the Munchie vice lock. Hey, Miss Petal, you have the Munchie vice lock. Munchie sound. Hey, you see Munchie? It might be worst thing for Munchie. I be a person where I sentence you. Because she does a county word the man I sentence you. No, sir.
Yeah, man.
Me say one time, you know, me say the first live what she deal with him, you know. Me share the live, you know, me share the link over Twitter. And me say, one minister watch, you know, follow the link and watch, you know. And the minister right, you know, I say, my God. My gosh.
Yo, Munchie say,
speechless.
Munchie say, Kevin, Andre, Matty boy, Andre, Kevin Stevenson.
Stefano.
Yo, Mr. Munchie Robin. Mr. That to laugh. And Munchie say, he man that give you a complete lunch money. Yeah, Mr. Jesus Christ, yeah, Munchie mix me up my dog. Munchie different, yeah, man.
Munchie, you know watch Munchie live. You know watch Munchie live on YouTube at night time.
Yeah, man. Me see it, man.
Believe me, man.
Munchie energetic, man.
Munchie fixing business, man. Fixing business properly.
Yeah, man. Munchie, man. Munchie.
Like how me see Chuck. Hey, you know see your Chuck. I tell me if I behave myself on the internet. Me see Chuck fix up ready, you know. Me see Chuck fix up ready. Me say when me I watch it and me hear some words. Oh, Mr. Wallan. Me I hear good, yeah. Oh, no, see how Chuck fix up ready. Huh? Me just a laugh. Cause me say to myself, say, yeah. You see? Here what Chuck fix ready. For a while, me did think I rusty. But me realize, me say when me look good and me see Tam, me don't see no locks. Me say, but no Chuck signature mark that with the Tam. Really get fixed up. Really, the my name, every time I talk about Punkus Mafi call my name, and me no see Reedy, you know? Me no see Reedy. Other than me defend my friend. Me don't know how Reedy you want me to defend him. Me don't know you, sir.
Then me no see Reedy, brother, over Reedy. Clark Labour right and the Mac Clark Labour right. What the name DJ Bashko? And the Mac Clark Labour right. And me just wait and then come over in live one day. And I say, oh man, now you name DJ Bashko? He say, yes. Reedy, brother? Yes. I say, come on fire. Come on fire.
But he say man Labour right straight.
Oh,
I don't know, and he don't know making brother behave some.
I'm gonna tell you I wish the idea when them I say Punkus this them. Punkus tell them about them father, Punkus make them
so the day they ended up set on a course because
man. Them man Clark Labour right and that family and the Clark Labour right. And in Clark Labour as in come over in Labour right. I say, oh, come on for ya. But when me say, you know, you just over your brother live at Clark Labour right. Just take time, come down, man. Just take time, come down and go on. Then when I see come for your life when you come big, your Kizzy.
Yeah. Then I'm a friend. I'm a TikTok friend. I'm a TikTok friend.
I be say, look, for the man we are class with him brother.
And I was a gift Kizzy to man.
Yeah, man, me see him.
Intel me say, no, make him brother be that way there.
Mr. Vega, send back, I'll come down and make him come up.
All right.
Okay, Mr. Pang.
Munchie there. What do you want Munchie there?
Munchie arrest. Munchie. Remember, say Munchie do hard work on the ground.
We just talk to her so she will come here.
You know, see Munchie, Mario said Munchie are going to port more, so it look like a Mario response to Munchie now.
Maria,
You want response here?
Yeah,
Maria, how you gonna manage so much people, Maria?
Mhm.
Lord of mercy. Churchill.
Miss Kizzy, see Rusty come there now with the history now. He's supposed to have a better history than me for Siaga.
Rusty.
Yo.
We did a talk about Mr. Siaga's contribution. As a matter of fact, no contribution. Because that's no contribution. Mr. Siaga laying the foundation and being the pioneer for Jamaican culture in the music thing.
He's the one, he's the standard bearer, he's the one who set the pace.
Who set it, who laid the foundation on the starting blocks.
Yeah, man, I'm first tour local artist in Jamaica.
And we did a play.
First man, even though the managers for the Scatterlight was Patterson, Edward Siaga was the first man who made them have a tour of the United States. Edward Siaga was the first man who toured Bob Marley and the Wailer, tour Stranger Cole. What the next one? We'll have a next one again, a duet. The one sing like girl and one sing like man.
Clarendonians.
Eh?
The Clarendonians? Are they?
Oh man,
I
can't remember them. And you have
Pat Kelly, them attack.
Patsy and Earl, something like that. I can't remember exactly right now. Somebody should remember and remind me. Right? But Siaga was the most instrumental. He's the first man who produced a local music. Right? And the first known big sound in Jamaica, King Edward the Giant. Siaga sound. The first big sound. Like how you see Jammies them have big sound and them thing there. Siaga
the same song. At the same song. When we played earlier.
Oh man, yo.
Hey, it's somebody now. Rusty. Hear the rhythm.
Real instrumental play that man. Instrumental that man. Instrument that man. Carolina.
Oh man, yo, hey. Let me hear the song.
And it wasn't the only song he produced. That was the first one.
I know it wasn't the only one, but this was the first hit out of Jamaica. And when me hear the song, it give me goosebumps. Not only because of Mr. Siaga's connection.
He was the one who started to record most of the international acts we have in Jamaica. Most of the artists them are born in the 30s, 40s.
Me find one interview we posted 8 years ago on YouTube, Rusty, and he spoke for half an hour, and it kind of triggered me little research, and me just go do again and get a refresher, and I am happy I did it. So basically, with the topic we have discussed though is the people them we attack Mr. Vegas and I say, you know, how I support Labour Party. So me I said enough of them artists here.
But the artists them we support, we support PNP, them are idiot because guess what? They don't know the history. Alright, me talk this all a while now, you hear me say this. You see, every Rasta we are PNP, we talk about Rasta shouldn't be Labour, right? The Rasta shouldn't be PNP because Norman Manley was the first one in 1958 that persecuted Rasta. Make police trim off them head with knife and make them off your hide in a bush.
Yes, Chin. I mean, Siaga started. So you see these things we have to make. Let me tell you something. And this is one charge we have with the Jamaica Labour Party. With history, the contribution to Jamaica, the laying the groundwork and the framework. It is too deep. We not have it.
Right now we should have proud to be a Labour right now. This country is built by Labour. You see, anybody have any idea what is UDC and what UDC does in Jamaica? Urban Development Corporation.
Yeah, man.
And then build up the waterfront. And then build up most of the markets back in the days. Right? And most of like our place like our craft market and them place there. Seeing in whole waterfront. Right? I see I got responsible for them thing there. Most of our, as a matter of fact, our entire banking sector was created by Siaga.
I want to ask Chuck one question, because Mr. Vegas in the box. Mr. Vegas is not supporting JLP. Clifton Smith is. So tell me, how do you separate Clifton Smith from Mr. Vegas? Mr. Vegas, your question.
Mr. Vegas is the artist and Clifton Smith is the Jamaican.
No. Mr. Vegas, Clifford Smith, Clifford Ray Smith, Subi, I support JLP.
Thank you very much. There you have it.
Round of applause.
However, when I go, I don't want people get it twisted that when them see me on a political platform, they expect say, I just sing me come to sing. Because I want people to understand that I am not limited. You understand?
Yeah, but there is more to you than there's more to you than dancehall music.
I very much appreciate that, Mr. V, because guess what? You have to do something I aspire for, but right now, I never get the opportunity based on problem. I don't have the contacts and the links. But here what now? Keep going, bro. Because
look here, Rusty.
Really love to do.
Rusty. Rusty, where you want to go on platform, go take mic and talk?
If I ever get piece of the stage, I say.
But Rusty, you mean you don't have contact? Rusty, it's simply easy. Starting at your community meetings, and that's where I start from.
Yeah, you're right. No, it's something we do before, during Clifton time,
Kizzy, we can put up the guy him have a platform, Bala.
Oh, hold on, let me look.
I hear people, Kizzy. I hear people.
Bala me link, man.
Yeah, watch out, Kizzy, let me show you something. I don't know if
Dimi, beg your back, small.
Hold on.
All right, Papa. Thank you.
Rusty can't go on a political platform. As in, see one come with them, I will start chips on clout up there.
Hold on. Me?
Yeah.
I'm full of decorum.
I'm start telling some clout.
I'm full of decorum when we need to, man.
Hey, this morning me extend an invite and say, Chuck, Mr. May I invite Mark Golding to come on the platform. And Rusty said, he ready for you, put on him clean his mouth. And him clean his suit.
But how long you can't take Mark Golding for the platform for?
Hey,
Mark Golding
thinking me Mark Jefferson Golding.
Look here, let me tell you something.
Send me invite.
Kizzy, let me tell you something you don't know. The more the brighter he is and the more intelligent he is, the easier it is for reason with
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the brighter he is and the more intelligent you portray yourself to be, the easier it is for reason. And you don't send people.
That's why you can't reason with Mark Golding.
No, man, we could have reason with him because look here. What him
sorry, let me rephrase.
What
That's
he
why
really
Mark
is,
Golding can't reason with you.
No, hold on, That is, let me tell you something. Mark Golding's in a pretentious mode right now. This is not the real Mark Golding, He must put on a show for PNP.
Guys, me ever tell you about my experience with Mark Golding, the first experience I have with Mark Golding in real life? I'm going to tell you about my experience I have with Mark Golding in real life. And I've spoken about it publicly. So, Mark Golding, I'm going to use to see him on TV. Justice, Rate, blah, blah, PNP. In 2019 is the first time we all Mark Golding in a real life as a person, as a human being. I'm going to tell you something. There is a place named Allen Avenue in Port Antonio. It's our main road, Allen Avenue. And those of you who know Portland know, say, in the town of Port Antonio, you have a lot of shacks on the seaside heading out to Folly. And a lot of these shacks, them are restaurants. And I call them shack. Let me tell you why I call them shack. Because them a lot of them informal. Them are no proper structure where sanctioned and nothing. People just take a spot and build up any business there and what have you. But a lot of them are places where the people them turn them into some nice restaurant spots or cook shop. We call it cook shop. So in the height of 2019, by-election, Miss Vaz. And as me tell you all the time, me not really wear party colors like party clothing. Because me like to be unassuming sometimes. That's why me like jump on camera and all of them something. Because me like to exist in a space where people don't know who me is. But me's a girl who love wear my armband them, which you know can clearly see because I shown enough time. And when me have my armband them, me will have them from my wrist to my elbow. And so me pack them up on my hand. So me have a regular clothes, but if you look for me left hand, you're going to see me armband them. So me and my friend, we left a campaign and we up on the road and we say, we go get some lunch. And they had a little cook shop there so now, and we run at the back and me order my food and we are wait. Because if you're not local, you're not going to know the back off. So Mark Golding come there with two girls. Two girls and him come there. Me they run at the back, so me never see when them come in. But the PNP did they all about the place. They are big vote and I try to see what can go on for them. So I was not surprised to see him there. Now, bear in mind, those of you who know what me look like, a lot of people. Remember now a parish full of people from all about, you know. And I go regular Portlander are important to know people who know me. So a lot of people thought that I am Miss Vaz's family member, like close family member. People think so. Enough people are say, yeah, Miss Vaz related. You're related to Miss Vaz. You're related to Mr. Vaz. What have you? I don't know what's creating party that sound like a rusty. Munchie B. One Munchie B in the house. Munchie rich. Guys. So when Mark Golding
you want to get my box, Miss Kizzy, sorry.
I thought me overnight rice and chicken back, man. What happened?
No, but
you're not scrape. You're not
left, Mr. Vegas. I remember say we did a part of the conversation we call Munchie for. So when we come around to the front, him sit down on the table, like them hard already and them a wait. Him and the two girl. And here the rude man. Yes, because I'm a skin color Munchie. Me know. So here the man, when me turn around now, you know, and him see me and band him. Here the man. She one of them. No, I don't know if he was thinking that me related to the Vaz them, like the mistake where a lot of people was making, or the assumption, me should say. Or because now me turn around and he could visually see my armband them from wrist to elbow. Lad, not so much of them, they enough about the place, yeah. And like the girl them realize, so me turn around and me say, yeah, enough of we, awa. He no answer. The girl them a laugh. He. I say, that man ya, that man not ready in a real life. And that's why I know say Mark Golding is not a people person. No, Petal, me never rub him out because I never answer. Never answer. Let me tell you now, when me rub him out now, the day when we have vote, yes, the man refer to me as one of them, enough of them. He did not approach me in a proper way. Class me, basically, after I see me armband them. You see the day now after me done vote, because he was some kind of overseer at the PD when me vote. The man coming on, rain the fall in the morning. Hey man, that man the big and think. Me tell you that man the big and think. You hear me tell you now? The man coming on a water boat. I don't know any knock. And me don't know whisper Mark Golding sleep. But anyway, Mark Golding sleep at same wake up at same way roll out and put the water boat dirty and him body.
And follow think of that.
And me say to my mother, me say, Mommy, look there. And Mommy say, wood. Me say, you know that big ugly man from TV. Me say, and my mother say, yes. They don't feel water boat so dirty. I we thought laugh for him. Man come, you know, so the man come for work. I can remember him vividly. He was wearing a jeans pants and one kind of mustard tan shirt button front. Mark well in chaka from him born and him out did chaka here. And him is not a people person. Not nice. Where you say Rusty Munchie? Moly. You could have seen it pan him same way roll out of bed. Cause you know them have to come a polling station early, you know. Mark well not stay good. And a good smaddy. The man class me as one of them. And as so much of them there. And what enough. So the man class me.
You know, the end of play that I know when he come there. Down a Clarendon, down on my brethren place. I see him come there. I'm sitting down with the youth that I play that I know. As I come there, in the place, so I get up for around the table. And I'm never taking your eye from me to blood clot till me disappear around the corner.